In this particular tutorial, you will learn how to read complete worksheet data in a table. So whatever data that is part of worksheet A, how do you get that in a table? Please make a note, this particular column has a header and this particular column doesn't have a header. And when you are reading the data, obviously you are reading the data, not this image, neither this image. So that is like this complete data will come like table A, and this complete data will come like table B. This has the header and this doesn't have a header. Now what you need to understand, once you have read these two data in a table, the next part is that how do you manage named as well as unnamed headers. So if you look at, this is a named header, it has got a header and there is no name here, but still there is an intrinsic header that Excel will manage automatically. The point that you are going to learn, that once you have read these two in a table, how you can run SQL inside VBA. And there we'll try to do a little sophisticated stuff like A minus B. This image I have taken from this link. A minus B is this particular portion, and here is the command for that. It is as good as like you're doing left join, and where you are saying where B dot key is null, so obviously you are only taking this portion which will give you A minus B, and reverse of that also you can get which will give you B minus A. When you'll do A dot key is null, you'll get this. And obviously in lieu of left join, you'll have to do right join. So we should try to do A minus B, B minus A, and look at, if you look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is common in A and B. Here purposefully I have put 7 and 8. So when I am doing A minus B, it should give this 7, 8. I will clean it and show it to you that it works. And when you are doing B minus A, it should give 6, 9 as well as 1, 2. Why? Because in these two rows, this data is available. Something like this it should put. And AB obviously should put all these as well as this sheet, because AB, when you are taking from A, this should put this data. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is common in both the tables. So let me show you that how you can run SQL command inside VBA. To do that, let me first show you that it works, and then I'll explain you the syntax. So I've selected all the sheets and I have just cleaned up the entire sheets. So now if you look at, there is nothing inside written. And when I'm going to run it, it has done. Look at what it has done. So it produced A minus B, it produced B minus A, and it produced AB along with this field as it was supposed to come, because I have taken from A. Now let me show you how it is working. So what I have done here, up to this extent is very much same, and references are very much same the way you are putting. You can take a look at the references that I have taken, these 5 references. After that, you are putting here Microsoft 12.0, and you are saying this workbook.path and this workbook.name. So you are taking this as the workbook dataset and you are opening. So it is creating a connection to this particular Excel. And here it is just the same normal SQL command. Select A dot star from A dollar. Keep a note, what you are putting in this square bracket A dollar is referring to this particular tab, A dollar. Similarly, what you are reading from B dollar is referring to data from this particular tab, B dollar. Whatever is the name of worksheet that you need to put there. I am doing A dot roll number equal to B dot roll number, where B dot roll number is null. So obviously I am creating A minus B and I am executing it here. Then after that I am selecting this A minus B tab. I am clearing the region. The A1 I am putting roll number, and after that I am going to cell 2, which is row 2 here, row 2, and then I am going to put whatever is the return of this particular SQL. So that's what I am putting here. If you look at here, I am saying RS, which is this particular SQL, copy the result of that into that particular cell. So that way I have done A minus B, and similarly B minus A. The only thing that you need to keep in mind that this time you take B dot star. So here I was taking A dot star and I was saying B dot roll number is null. Here I am taking A dot star, B dot star, and I am doing right join. And I'm saying A dot roll number is null. So if you look at, I'm taking, A dollar as A, right join B dollar as B on these roll number, where A dot roll number is null. So obviously you are taking out only B minus A and taking B dot star. That's why you got 6 9 as well as this. Also what you need to understand, if some cells, some columns has header, some columns doesn't have header, the program is able to take care. Even though if you look it in the beginning, I had told that header equal to yes, but still it is able to work on. And then AB is pretty simple. You take here A and B, and here I am taking A dot star from where A dot roll number equal to B dot roll number. So it is taking and putting that in the column AB. Every time I am selecting the worksheet, clearing the region, putting the header in the first row, going to the second row, and then just copying that row record. And after that, the normal cleanup that you do. So if you look at what you are able to do, if at all I summarize, you are able to read the whole worksheet data in a table like A dollar kind of thing. You created read the A dollar data and created table A here. Similarly, you read the whole complete B dollar data and created B table here, and then you are able to run the whole SQL inside VBA and direct the output into particular sheets.